Phillips Chevy in Frankfort. I'm going to be going over the Chevrolet infotainment system on a 2021 Chevy Equinox Premier. So with the Premier trim level, you do get the upgraded screen. It does have AM, FM, and XM radio. XM you'll get free for 3 months, and then it'll stop by itself. You go back, brings you to your main home screen here. You do have your Bluetooth icon, so you could pair up to 6 different devices. It'll show your contacts, call history, voicemail, everything will stream there. Wi-Fi is set up through Onstar, so you can change your Wi-Fi name and password. You get that free for 3 gigabytes or 3 months, whatever you hit first. Users is just going to be based off of your key fobs. You can customize any kind of settings for any user that's driving the vehicle. Settings is just going to be time, date, language, any passwords you want to change, any safety features you want to adjust. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, that just depends what kind of phone you have. Same thing, it'll show navigation system, your text messages will stream on over, as well as your Bluetooth phone calls and any music apps that you have. Apps on the right side is just going to be any ones that you want to save to the back screen. You can add as well to the infotainment system. Swipe to the right, you do have a camera. It's a bird's eye view camera. So on the left side here, you'll see a full 360 camera. So front, back, side to side, gives you a whole view of the entire car all around it. Also have a front camera that's right in front of us now. Gives you a big closer view of the front of the camera. Front end, and then if you're backing up, you want to see what's behind you. And then you also, if you're trying to do some parallel parking, it'll show just to make sure you don't hit your wheels, anything like that on a curb. And the last one is your trailering camera. So if you're hooking up a trailer to the hitch, it will align with it. Last 2 icons here, you have the OnStar services, which is Wi-Fi, navigation, auto crash response, and the last one is your My Chevrolet Rewards program. So anytime you come in for service, you accumulate points, anything like that. If you have any questions about the Chevrolet Equinox Premier infotainment system, ask for me, Lisa G.